Hello and welcome to the Cryptocurrency News channel. We're going to talk about this Russia ransomware thing because I feel like this is an interesting thing for crypto. The ransom group, as you can see from CoinDesk, is called Revil, and they demand $70 million dollars from 2,200 US firms. Now, let's get this straight. Bitcoin is not the thing that actually has been hacked. Bitcoin is perfectly secure. It's the servers of these companies that are not secure and that's been hacked. They want their payment in Bitcoin and not money because obviously Bitcoin's you can't reverse Bitcoin transactions. Um, it's not really that hard to track anymore. Bitcoin, I think, is actually easier than the dollars to track, and they didn't really demand Monero, but I think they do want it because the financial system doesn't have its grips over Bitcoin, and they can't actually reverse Bitcoin transactions, which means they have the money for good. Now, this is a deeper problem for crypto in terms of like why governments don't actually like it. One of the main reasons that governments don't actually like it is because it is completely and utterly immutable. That is 100% true. It's completely and utterly immutable, which means you can't actually reverse transactions on it. Now, obviously, governments are not going to like this because if you pay a terrorist organization ransom or something else, they can't just cut off the funding, and the organization actually has the funding. The only way they can combat this is to destroy all liquidity, which obviously would be really bad for the investors as well. It'd be like tanking an entire market. The problem with this is like even if you want to like fix this, which I'm pretty sure most crypto people want or don't want to, because that is actually one of the central sticking points of crypto that transactions cannot be reversed. I don't really know how you could actually program it in because crypto was made so it can't be immutable, and a lot of people are in crypto because they think it's like less likely the government will actually get into their business, which is not true. Um, Unless you have like Monero or something, then it becomes like really, really hard to track. But I think they'll probably find a way to actually do that as well. So the thing is, I don't think this is a problem that can actually be solved. And even when crypto goes mainstream, this will become a major problem. Because if you actually think about it, like if you pay with your credit card on something like eBay, the seller actually never delivers your product. You can actually do a chargeback. If you pay in crypto, you're kind of screwed because you can't actually reverse the transaction. They already have your funds. Now, you could actually take care of that via a smart contract, but once it's actually paid, it's paid and the money is gone. So you don't really have that tool of trying to reverse a transaction or disputing it with your bank, which is exactly why the ransomware group wants it in crypto. So there's ups and downs, like there's like positives and negatives to all of this. And I think realistically, this is going to be more of a feature of the system rather than a bug that you can solve. Because if you try to solve it too hard, you're going to destroy the entire purpose of crypto in the first place and place it completely in the hands of the government. Now, can they actually create some kind of technology that's actually like blockchain, but the transactions are reversible? Probably yes. And I'm guessing that's kind of like what CBDCs are actually going to be. That actually makes a lot of sense. But I expect a lot of ransomware attacks in the future. I expect a lot of this kind of activity in the future, and I don't expect this problem to be fixed because it's really not fixable in my opinion. Um, Obviously, like when they're holding like a hostage ransomware situation like this, they're not going to accept a smart contract that you can just like not execute in the end. So like I actually expect in the future there will be a lot of demand of like hostage payments or like demand of payments for sabotage like this in crypto rather than fiat because it's easier for the saboteurs to get away from it because they can't actually be reversed. So, no, I don't actually think this is a bug in the system. It is actually going to be a feature. It may not be a great feature or even a good feature, but it is a feature that's actually built into the system. And I don't really think there's that much we can actually do about it. So, that's what I have to say. And that's what I have to say about this. Let me know what your thoughts about on this. Like, should we engineer something where it can be reversed? Because governments are really not going to accept it that readily if it can't be reversed. And what do you think about mainstream adoption, paying via smart contracts, and paying via crypto, knowing that you can't really do a chargeback like a credit card. So let me know what you think. Like and subscribe and hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.